Welcome to today's trade edition segment. We discussed this level yesterday from our analysis, and we talked about. I made the point that we are within a consolidation on higher time frame, and for our, as you can see, we have all these levels. Just see price ranging from these two levels, the high and the low of this particular level. Yeah. So having this kind of something in the market, it's just a consolidation between the high and above is, and if we are to talk about it appropriately, we will say relations of them for it to go either long or short. But as you can see, we left this consolidation and we entered another consolidation here. And mind you, market do spend a lot of time in consolidation as well. But for us not just to be stuck on the consolidation of 4 hour and not even having any opportunity to either buy or sell in the market, then we move on to 15 minutes to try and see what we can be capitalizing on based on our analysis. And from our analysis, what can we see from all these points is the fact that okay, we have like I discussed in our videos yesterday, talked about this level that will be anticipating either a closure above this level, which we did have, and either price give us an MSS, which is market structure shift, to take out this low. Then whatever makes the price to close below the MSS that we created, then we can continue to sell with the market. And just like I said, I sold also with the market, but having this level being manipulated and uh, reversed into the high is an automatic indication for us to know that okay, this level will be reclaimed going forward. That's what I did here. And that happens to be our trading level, which happens to be this particular something. And I was able to capitalize on it. And the gap, whatever has been lost from within this level can easily be what, you know, be recovered with this particular trading. So that's the point from that level. And here we are on a new day, and as you can see, price is at the something again at this particular level. And that same yesterday, immediately after we reverse from this level and we continue to move into the highs, new 4 hour candle opened, and we see a manipulation into previous 4 hour candle. Then we see price moving forward. Then we have this little imbalance here for whatever reason, the same thing that exact same thing that happened from within this level, we have this MSS again, and that's has become trend for what is it called? For the whole manipulation stuff. Once we have MSS, price close below the MSS, give us a break of structure, we always see that MSS being manipulated. It's that the same thing that we see from this level. Manipulation of the MSS that should have sent price lower it will be manipulated into the high. And once that happens, we know that the head, the reverse, the reclaimed of that leg that created the something we turn to our mitigation block where we'll be anticipating to either buy or sell from. So the exact same thing happened from here. Then we continue to do what? We continue to buy from within that level. Its price did not come to that level yesterday. So we see it range from this level. And personally, I try to trade. This is another MSS here. I try to trade it into this level because if you say that it's still not good, the MSS will be manipulated, and always manipulated. And as you can see, it was manipulated here as well. So if for whatever reason we are anticipating that in the market, we can still be expecting to do what? To either trade or go forward from there. So we have this level. We are expecting to buy from this level, but we did not have a proper mitigation of the level yesterday. Then during the something, I come into the market, I see this level again. We are creating some kind of reversal from that level and having this shift in the market. I try to do it to even capitalize on it. But this is the first shift anyway. But I try to kind of enter from this level, but we see the something being manipulated into the highs from this level and it was taken out. So for whatever reason that it was taken out, kind of trying to see because okay, for whatever reason it was taken out. We have this one. So why was it taken out this level? The reason why I believe is because it was around this area that I see that it was taken out. Maybe it's because of the spread during the midnight, during the night. So we have this level here. We're expecting some kind of reaction. Then I try to trade from the level into this level here so that at least we'll be able to buy with something. But it was early this morning that we got into the level and I'm currently in that trade. But nonetheless, I'm still looking forward to wherever that can happen from within this level because price created, consolidated for a while here. We broke below the consolidation and we are trying to look for another opportunity from within this level. And if we check closely on 4 hour, we see that this impulsive leg might kind of try because we have this level here and it's kind of sending price into the high. We take the low of this particular block that should have sent price into the high, but it was taken, which is signaling rather that the price might continue from this level into the rest. And this impulsive move that we have this leg might actually be a retracement for the leg to do what to move into the ice. So, but anything can happen. We keep looking forward to whatever price is trying to do in the market. Then we have this level, this particular retracement that we are currently in and is lie perfectly on this internal structure and the candle will soon close which is remain less than 30 minutes and if it close within this internal structure then we might not be considering following this level. But what we're going to do for us to kind of because we are not going to be trading now is to try and see what price is going to do. We've established this leg now to be the high of this 4 hour, and this happens to be the low of the current 4 hour that we are within. Then we have this to be our Asian range. Or what we are trying to do is if we look closely to this level, it's going to be we are within the high and the low of this particular leg here. This leg to this high, let's put it this way so that at least so we are within this leg and if you look closely this is the but the liquidity above the eye has been taken which means this low might not be holding but for whatever reason we close above this eye so this eye is going to be the determinant of whether we're going to continue to buy. So my expectation for this particular level now is this. Since we created a breakout structure and we can term this as is a liquidity moving leg, it takes the liquidity above this eye, run into this block that we have here. Then we can be expecting that mm, let me do something else. Here, this is where the price is. I'll be expecting price to continue to take out this time based on 4 hours something. But at the same time, price can take out this high and whatever makes price to take out this high, then this will be our other block leg that will be capitalizing on buy and continue to do it. I mean, we just find a means of buying from within this leg and move forward. So that's one possibility. Another possibility is the fact that price can move like this, create a shift for us and close below this low. We are within consolidation. Then if it does that, we're expecting some kind of movement like this in the market. So another thing we can be anticipating is price coming to this level, creating a shift from within a shift of this leg because we can see its liquidity below this low has been taken. A shift, price can go into this eye, create a shift for us, break the structure that has been created, which is shift of this level as well, break the structure, and we can continue to buy from that level too. So anything can happen. These are the three possibilities that we have in the market. So we just continue to look out for that on lower time frame, and on 4 hour we're just going to rest for now. There are a lot of possibility for us on lower time frame. So we're just going to try and capitalize on it that way. So that will be all. Thank you very much. Have a lovely and a profitable day.